Today I'm going to teach you how to make strawberry mint limeade. This is the perfect, refreshing summertime drink. I love making this when strawberry season rolls around. Welcome to Food Crazed. To start, we're going to make the strawberry puree. In a blender cup, we're going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of fresh or frozen strawberry halves. We need to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And to this, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of water. And just blend it for a few seconds until it's smooth and combined. Now just slice up 1 lime, and we're going to prepare some mint leaves. These happen to be from my garden, which is great. I grow them on containers on my back deck. But we're going to be pulling off a few of the leaves. We just need a little handful, about 8 to 10 leaves. And to this, add in the 8 to 10 mint leaves. And finally, 2 to 3 slices of lime. We're going to be using a wooden spoon for this next part. We need to muddle the mint into the sugar. So using the back of a wooden spoon, you just need to press on it and smash the mint leaves into the sugar and smash your lime as well. And this is going to infuse the sugar with the oils from the mint. Now let's make some limeade. To your pitcher, let's add in 1 can of frozen limeade mix. Or I'll put a link below for how to make my homemade limeade from scratch. Water according to directions on the side of the can. Remember to leave enough head space at the top of the pitcher so that you have enough room for all of our garnishments and the strawberry puree. And just continue stirring until the frozen limeade concentrate is dissolved. I love adding garnishments to my strawberry limeade, and for this we're going to slice up about 1/4 of a cup of strawberries. It's nice using fresh strawberries as a garnishment in this, but you can also use frozen strawberries. You can pop them in whole or slice the frozen berries. In addition to strawberries, we're going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of sliced mint. So just pull off a few mint leaves and stack them together and slice them up. Okay, this is the fun part. Let's add in our strawberry puree. This just looks like a beautiful sunset color. I absolutely love it. Now add in some additional lime slices. And let's put in our sliced up mint. And finally, let's add in our sliced strawberries. I'm going to top this off with some ice cubes, about 1 to 2 cups of ice cubes, depending on how much room you have at the top of your pitcher. Now just give it a quick stir so everything comes together. And doesn't that just look so delicious and refreshing? The colors of the lime and the mint and the strawberries in this drink really pop. And they're fun to have too in your glass when you pour this out. They taste great. This is the perfect summertime drink to make for your family or friends or company coming over to visit. It's wonderful, refreshing, the perfect amount of strawberry with lime and just a hint of mint. I hope you make this drink. Feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss another yummy recipe. Thanks again for watching.